team na buzapanyi krata bia mani akọ boso Stanley Menzo adwuma no wayɛ no ɛne technical report papa na gye ni bibia no ɛwɔ me krata yi so as a 12 players bi is safe.
Wow.
15 players bi ebi kodada ebi bɛkɔ.
Woo.
Okaboma 27. And that leads me to a critical concern. Say Kotoko team na bujapan yebe wie na aka less than 15 players last season no more. Coach no ba no adwuma ye pa. I beg to submit board of directors of Asante Kotoko no. They are delaying the appointment of their next head coach. Asem na den ya na yebeka ebi kwa kodi atem nya hwe ebi boy abazo to di atem a onya hwe and omu pe news and omu pesa board no appoint obi no omu nya news hey bra na nse ya ye world cup ya ye nya fela time Kabiru ya twa numbers no mo ntwa wate blasters news no who post to story ba ko 60k asem na ye ka o enti enya news asem Kotoko ni ye house of folk ni ye has a check. At the time they were sacking coach Didi Drama, the next day has been announced a new coach. That was my thinking. Kotoko the board the by 12 matches to the end of the season. And about he said 12 matches to the end of the season. And I'm sure ya boli gina wie me. World Cup ni yame aduma kwesi da ebe na watwe na wie 19th. Ni abo World Cup na wie. Ghana Premier League na busia panyi mtemba bi na busia panyi atia no fa ne phone was breaking news. League fixtures na be chance here the first week of September.
Yes.
A weekend of 4th and 7th, between 4th and 7th. Now it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Ni ye bo abusia panyi na kai so oboa me boa but on won twantro ndie no kre.
Fantastic.
Ya bo league ya wie me ya twam. June atwam. July ni ye wo mu. August, September, ni Ebo League. I beg to submit to the Kotoko board that the appointment of whoever say Omoshana Stanley should be Jumana. I don't think there's a problem because Stanley, no, the krata and the crown he has the competence to lead Asante Kotoko as a coach.
Fantastic.
He has the competence. Okra UEFA lines is and then what you.
Yeah.
On experience, why yes seminars, why workshops. Wakwa ye frɛ bibi a symposium why bebrebe to panino obetima aye se Kotoko board no na aye adwuma na there's no problem no ato so aye but se coach ba beba ne ekena coach beba abuja panyi ebreni ho emfa madasani Kofi Kenata onyumbi ebreni ho madasani enimi ya braba me yanhwe no wato no nyum no fefefe mesre board we de eye enkoto sere omunya ne ntam a brainy hole. That's the truth of the matter. Asante Kotoko, per credible information cry. Kotoko on the 18th of July, ya womi. Abujana date 6.
Yes.
What did now watch cry come one? Yes, I'm fun say 18th for the besi memenda ebe na watch here. Kotoko place about reported. No, my medical as men and the question that interview about work final. On the 20th of July, I could call a training. I say, almost pre-season. I say,
no coach.
A basic and I see, sitting and Musa, and I see
12 more days to go.
Yeah. This is the concern. One tells you, is on Tiazi, because Mr. Memento must say, to one Temazia, be easy. I'm Japan.
Yes, sir.
Kotoko asem no wa but mami twa me ho sei emra na Ghana Premier League transfers no unim se ye tena se wa ha aha no ye de ensem no e de April obosi AshantiGold assign a Burkina Bay center back.
Wow.
As good any bra bre wo boase on na coach Abdul Karim Zito abeye adwuma no e ho Abrante did Ben Yamin Nasiru Kabori Ben Yamin Nasiru Kabore ɛyɛ center back a ɔboase AshantiGold afa no na AsGold for pan ho ntoma ɛna ɛho flyer yɛde ato yɛn page no so ɛde ama no wei ɛyɛ abrante de Ben Yamin Nasiru Kabore abusha pɛsɛ mɛkyampo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella.
meka asɛm bi kyerɛ wo ɛwɔ ha yana maka kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɔ Ghana Premier League no wie a player biaa season wɔyi no no anim bɔ na wɔbɛnya akwanya so ɔbɛkɔ amana na ɔbɛkɔ amana ne ɔntena kura yi mu bɔɔl no yɛyɛ no ha no ɛnyɛ bɔɔl deɛ ɛyɛ no ha no yɛfrɛ bɔɔl no mɛsɛ mu mpɛ din foforɔ mfa nto so na deɛ ɛyɛ no yɛyɛ bɔɔl no ɛnyɛ bɔɔl ɛkɔm ne ani berɛ na nkɔda nde bɔ bɔɔl no akae asɛm a His Royal Majesty ɛka kyerɛ Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛberɛ a Ghanafoɔ to aba ɛtu John Mahama na Akufo-Addo bae na ɔkɔɔ manhyia no ɔsɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ menka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmode kɔm ne ani berɛ ɛna to aba no ti a baako no nti wo so woba no wanyɛ adwuma no a ɔmbɛsa de kɔm ne ani berɛ sɛ yi wo nso afiri hɔ boys na bɔ Ghana Premier League ɔmode kɔm ne ani berɛ na ɛbɔbɔɔ no enti ɔmo motivation kakra no ne motivation nyina ne sɛ nyame nyama dom nyame mmoa me na menya numbers a next season ɛno nti na wotu Ghana player fo sɛ wanya deal ɔkɔ Libya ɔkɔ Lesotho ɔkɔ Rwanda Uganda na anim bom na atu no fo sɛ hɔ deɛ mɔbɔ ɔkɔ a 1 year bɛba sɛ wokae boy no obɛsi abrusan no ɛbɛsi stores man na ne maame no ɔse senior sɛ kame bɔ ase na makɔ mmienu sɛ yɛ bank magya bɔ koraa yɛ madwuma bi because bra na mbɔ Ghana Premier League ano no kwasɛm sɛ na meni bank account na nkɔfɔ ne pam me sɛ menkɔ fie no ɔmode $100,000 na gya me kwan sɛ gye wei na fa kɔ ɔbaeɛ a na asase bi da ɔmo fie anim saa si abrosan de fam no nyinaa yɛ stores gye drinks ne nsuo agum ne maame tea no ho ɛbra no start ɛkɔ yie ɛntam sɛ panyi boys ri nyinaa ɛkɔ obiaa ɛkɔ sɛ ɛnora akyi ɛna meka kyɛw sɛ Pando Out of Lions captain no mimi bɔ team no wɔ ha ma so ɔbɛka ya na team no di na menti ase mtimi mmɔ DBMM mintimi mmɔ ampa yɛmfa nto gya sɛ ayɛ confirmed sɛ Ebenezer Aban wakɔ sign contract na wasign contract no ɛwɔ Malaysia deɛ mene mmienu nyina nsa gɛn mmɔbɔ hɔ but when we all connect $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 a month bonus so my or bought 1 year no mjano kwaya only $50,000 show some near jack when say chaso mo biante uri kofi oba bano no atoka kakra no dem enya kom na ye de bon ha no enti abrante de Ebenezer Aban ya na nka kotko enya omudi Ebenezer Aban be bano se me ka se Razak Simpson eko Finland Ebenezer Aban oko Malaysia. Eti club near based in Brunei, Darussalam. Oko Japaniti. Eno eye diabetes di aka eno team ni dino DPMM. Duli Pigran Muda Makota Football Club. Now we also be friends of Omon team ni dia. Oh. Tio Duli Pengiran Muda Makota Football Club and as I say a branch and aquasign
DPMMF
the year 2000 yana one at a club yeah yo Abuja Pensa Mejam House of Folk and Becachos has any abre say Nations FC one more play anything at the Brandon Sapon entry on a MTNF Cup a boy or J best player of the MTNF Cup no Mecachos has any abre epe Abranjeno.
Yeah.
Awia yam fan to just Brandon Sapon Enchi wa joining Libyan club from Al Madina.
Wow.
Al Madina on a 2-year deal. Ti Al Madina for no Ayisika ato Brandon Enchi Sapon. Possible say yam Moses in your Bejana Quine. Be by January time window no. The omo person oyɛ mo wanya but omo ja kwa no mo de $100,000 no mo de ama asaji ne kofi wate twa so nkofi fa ho akwadan so be me sure say $1,000 bom wa ball kran mu nyina wonu bi da ne man $100,000 afa na be tu no for we na me say Kotoko no odwene Ghana football ho a esa nka ohye unim nika fa njokoto no na nkwa transum anka ne Israel ahemfo ne ade no se prophet ne ba no be ka asem cho na doom for the nation no ma transum esa ka Kotoko transum en sesa nkototo ayampia se an ye korokana mu ni gidie ene edu run of 32 eti ya bomade football na rise Kotoko no esa ku omo kodada no Kamara Muhammad bye bye Ojugu Joseph Ablo Kotoko terminate the contract Samba Ndongani oye player at the Masekukuni United South Africa.
Yes.
Now no msi nsuo na to nkran fa Samba ne Japade ne passport ni oma. Na yesi Samba so otwen age ni ticket ni ade Africa Kotoko. Na Samba Kotoko enye Accra Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Uzu ni mba bi team yo na atenkran na ha mansu fa oyi. But finally wa Kotoko.
Okay.
Eti Kamara number 1, pesi kan yo. Ablo number 2.
Yes.
Samba number 3.
Yes.
Peter Acquah number 4. But mami nyina Peter Acquah na menka cho se oboase AshantiGold for money abrepa. Mami nchia team president. Na menchia ni general manager. General manager me na nam so mam hint ba akukura se skandi. Matese Peter Acquah no. As good for any abre so person for Peter Acquah.
Wow.
Omo mfa ni free Kotoko abrante no oye free agent. To omo fa no omo mfa Kotoko Japade a player oye free. Na Ashgold for no pushipa omo offer the panyemu hwam. Peter joining Kotoko no maka cho dada say he joined as a youth team player then sika no form.
Yeah.
Dia bia ba kwa yenim ye okroma no say sign player just the contract wu ansa na ya to pay mu. Ashgold for no ready to be tres kakase. Peter Acquah enso eni obiem. Baba Yaya a player number 5. Ya oni Kotoko biem. Henry Kwame Ansu a player oni Kotoko biem. After paying 6 I don't know.
Wow.
Players ni betima kwa kodru 15 at your numbers no. Eti adru number 6. Eti ball number na me di play ndi aso. 7 aye Miami boy Elvis Cheba for Awuche. 8 aye Emmanuel Entry Oboyima. Emmanuel Entry player number 8. 9 ya Miami Kwame Poku Baye. Kwame Poku Baye. Aka no 1 year contract e wa Asante Kotoko. Kwame Poku. 10 ya Morfing Donzo. Morfing Donzo. List na mania boss no. Empanyifo no remarks na so nza kwanishi kandozo.
Wow.
Na nyanwa adwuma no ye. Morfing na buzapanyi in terms of dollars waje o. In fact, easy ka no waje no. Kotoko captain no Samba no.
Samba.
Morfing jibe times 4 of the na Samba je no.
Wow.
Yeah.
11
ya Isaac Minta.
12
aye Francis Acquah.
13
aye Johnson upon Ousu of a Johnson. 14 aye Branted ding ede Saka Daguda.
15
akano 1 year. 15 onzu ko eza kam ne ko so abetamoa.
Wow.
The contract with 15 players we. Aye the massive shake up of Japan ebet masi wa Asante Kotoko. Bobo Kunum. Massive shake up. And these are the names Pepe Suarez. Painstaking investigation and reveal at Yamame.
Wow.
Some catch on Morfin, you know, Asteris beat the home, but a faint. Saka Dauda, you know, Asteris, but a faint. But I want to be a football at the market company for the Saka Dauda, open now. Adiachia, or sign a contract. At the a club in East Africa, may Pepe Makachero.
Nice one.
Call Saka Dauda. Negotiate with him. Bema. Monday man one case was all back with Kono and 2 years in it. Seasons in M5. And to any deal, catch Uncle Fono, Yaka Kraka Bia. Because Uncle Fono already saw Mama Saka personal money of almost $100,000.
Wow.
Second $50,000. 15 on met me a cocoa fit on pong. No more the sir on cross as him and go for it to be tongue. Yabejibi, woman to man tongue. Sika Kotko, and the first Saka Dauda. every buffer kwata no busa panyi enuru $50,000 why business
Nice one.
Donzo morfin no o to na bebre because numbers not about last season enye
Yeah.
na mom Donzo me aware of deals I Donzo ho entwam na nkotua compensation sam fa ma Donzo biem da bi ekra pre nu de ya ka se pre nu ekra pre nu de money sa enti wo mo enhwe ho no.
Nice one.
Francis Acquah de enye player na asa ba coach no ebehwe sporting director trans ye bibia no Patrick du ball no de ma Kotoko no ene Joseph Amwa deputize no also quality player in Francis Acquah no to bench or to work.
Okay.
Uko bechem afane ye a bit fane eka ho because bechem for your legend uko bechem na busa pa me na season captain etifa Francis Acquah ko o de Francis Acquah ekoduru bechem a aka chom se etiya ya ba be pe Kofi Tompo mumma ya bo mfa nso so ne hwe de betima ye na na makodi sa nkomo no entwam ma na nkokwa.
Nice one.
Abatamu ane de busa panyi waka omo a on obebo loan says less than 6 months aso okon baby Emmanuel ntwiche bafo kwa mpoku no no womo me ben womo ndia me mpese me kan bebrebe ese obeka so to womo me mo di nka ho mfa ho Donzo de obi anim nim ne baby a obi anim se Dauda Saka nim ne baby a Wafa Johnson club bi e de approach bi abre Asante Kotoko womo nchake
Okay.
Omzo mo fan but omo ntua kapre ma Kotoko na bi anya na omo kan job say hey na contract without consideration dey say nya valid contract to omo no omo nka Johnson buy what jiska o say $20,000-$30,000 bi na nkofo be nya 50 bi no omo be nya busapanyi Kotoko nsom no more for Johnson ko but 15 players are I likely say Kotoko any omo ntoa so na season and am the amount 12 we wa obre no ko ma menye mu fama na ya ye no so ho dwuma e dia ma ye ahwefo no abusua panyin